What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management. It is 5:50 in the morning and I'm about to head off to my gate. Well, not my gate, to check in, but I don't know how long it's going to take. So we'll see. Going to stand in queue, and after I've done that, after I've checked in, then we're going to move on to the good stuff and see how this flight goes. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Now, I do want to say this is my first time doing an actual, like, properly, sorted out vlog. So we'll see how it goes, like I said. Apart from that, hopefully you guys do check it out. Like it, subscribe, comment, share, all the good stuff as always. But yeah, this should be an interesting trip. And yeah, like I said, we'll see how it goes. For now, I'm checking where I need to go. And it is there. Okay. So... So as you can see, people, we made it to gate D16. The gate is actually closing, so I'm going to leave in a sec. But yeah, it took us 58 minutes, exactly 58 minutes to check in, just to check in. And then when that was at least lining up, and then when I got to the gate, it literally took me, I'd say less than 2 minutes to get my bag checked in, and me to get my boarding pass and then leave again. We lined up for 58 minutes just for that. Either way, that's what it is. COVID times, all these restrictions. I saw people getting blocked, not allowed to go because they didn't have a visa or they didn't know where they were going to stay. I saw security coming in and pulling people away. It was a madness. But either way, we've made it to gate D16 now. So we're going to go into the flight. And yeah, again, we'll see how it goes. Airport is not as dead as I thought it would be. But hold on, the gate is closing, so I will start to leave. So yeah, keep you updated. We're good to go. Onto the plane we go. I think the flight was supposed to be delayed because of that huge line, but it looks like now we might be okay. So yeah, entering the tunnel.
we get going, we've got flight times 44 minutes. The weather at Heathrow at the moment very similar to what we have here with about 10 knots westerly breeze and 10 degrees down there. I will keep this short, just like to add that if you do see the seatbelt signs going on during any moment of the flight today, if I could ask you to kindly return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt, it would be greatly appreciated. I'll leave you in the hands of the cabin crew and we'll be back in the cruise to keep you updated with times and weather. Thank you for listening.
Alright, so we made it through the flight. It was a pretty turbulent flight, to be honest, but we made it through. You guys may have seen at the end there, when we would land, we had to wait for a few minutes because security had to come on and remove a passenger. It was kind of weird, so I don't know what went on with that, but yeah, anyway, we came off the plane. A lot of people hadn't also filled out their UK passenger form, which is what you have to fill in before you come into UK. So yeah, people just holding other people up back, but now we are good to go. So I'm gonna go and collect my baggage and go through passport control. Alright people, I thought I'd just do a quick recap slash finish the video slash end the video or ending whatever. I'm just being a bit wary, came back inside quickly and took off my mask because it's been on for ages and I know I'm supposed to wear it, but just wanted to be able to talk clearer and at least, you know, hopefully you guys can hear me better. But either way, so flying during COVID times, it's a bit interesting I'd say. Definitely an experience. The flights were still pretty much packed. It's funny when they bring the food and everyone's eating, everyone takes off their mask and I'm like, okay, so the whole point of a mask is over. Apart from that, yeah, the airports are not as dead as I thought. There's still a lot of people flying and traveling and all that. So yeah, that's a good sign, I guess, kind of. I do wonder how long this mask thing is going to go on because I see people getting frustrated with it, you know, having it on and all that. But if it's what you gotta do, it's what you gotta do, you know what I mean? But yeah, I'm about to get picked up soon, but like I said, I thought I'd just round up the video. So my first ever vlog, hope you guys liked it and enjoyed it. Try to do a few things differently. So yeah, pretty much you guys know the drill. I already said it. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and apart from that, make sure you guys are back here next time for another video. I do have some new content coming soon, but I just don't know exactly when it will be out. But yeah, you guys know the drill. Check out all the links in the description. Apart from that, I got money making, you've got money making. See you guys next time for another video. Peace.